The sound of life isn't a single track. It's a mix, a combination of what you choose to play and what's around you. It's awareness mixed with attitude, countryside mixed with connection, perseverance mixed with presence. Introducing Trex Titanium, revolutionary sport headphones with a completely open-ear design, built to deliver situational awareness, comfort, and an exceptional audio experience. With bone conduction technology, mini vibrations travel through your cheekbones directly to the inner ears, delivering dynamic stereo sound without covering or blocking them. The backbone of Trex lightweight design is a sweat-resistant titanium frame, an element chosen for its strength, durability, and flexibility, and is the key to its universal secure fit. These wireless open-ear headphones prioritize your safety, ensuring you're always aware of surroundings. Finally, a headphone experience where all the layers of your world, from your music to your moments, come together.
One of the real core values of our company has been to improve quality of life, and I believe that we successfully do that. And now with the introduction of the new Trex Titanium, really a radical departure from your traditional headphones, a true uncompromised product that we really believe will become the ultimate sports headphone.
Bone conduction headphones generates vibration, and the vibration is conducted through our facial bone into our inner ears.
For example, when I put these headphones on, and you see that they're sitting up here against my cheek, what's going to happen now is that music is going to start to vibrate. And that vibration is going to go through my cheekbone and then to my cochlea, which will allow me to listen to the music. We've built in a new technology into our headsets. It's called Premium Pitch Plus. It allows us to create a listening environment that's on par with any of your earbuds.
People should expect exceptional audio. And we believe Premium Pitch Plus delivered.
This is a product that a lot of you out there I think would like to buy anyway. And by pledging now, you get an opportunity to buy this product at a reduced price, and you also get to get it before anybody else gets their hands on it.
Aftershok's Trex Titanium. Be open.
Meet Ollie, the app-controlled robot driven by adrenaline. This rough and tumble roller lives for only two things: speed and tricks.
Core features.
Built to go wicked fast, Ollie redlines at a floor-warping 14 miles an hour. Combine that speed with full gesture controls, and Ollie can pull off some pretty sweet stunts. Steer with your thumb or turn your device sideways to enter trick mode. Do a trick correctly, and the app will automatically tell you just how awesome your trick was. If Ollie's too fast for you, you can always tone him down in the settings screen.
Toughness.
Worried that all those tricks and speed are gonna hurt Ollie? Psh, Ollie's been wrapped in a durable polycarbonate.
Han Solo style.
We've literally sent this thing off a cliff and it still kept going.
Getting started.
Charge Ollie up using the USB cable, and then download the free Ollie app to your iOS or Android device. With a full charge, open the app, place your device next to Ollie, and watch him connect via Bluetooth LE.
It's based on magic.
From there, you can choose between two drive modes to run Ollie in. Keep Ollie's tires on for ultra grip and hard cornering, or take them off to become a super drift machine.
Accessories.
You can also customize Ollie's look with one of the new tire or hubcap options that feature more colors and designs. With LEDs, a 30-meter range, and an hour of non-stop play off a single charge, you can kiss your average toy goodbye.
Adios, muchachos.
This is Ollie, and it's time to upgrade your play.
Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm Eric. We're graduate students at MIT Media Lab.
We have a dream that everyone is an inventor. So we created Makey Makey to let you invent just by alligator clipping. Alligator clips stuff like bananas to your Makey Makey. When you touch the banana, your computer just thinks you're touching the keyboard. The front has arrow keys, spacebar, and mouse left click. When you're ready for more, flip the Makey Makey over and you've got more keyboard keys and support for the mouse. You can even use the board like an Arduino when you are ready. No programming, no breadboarding. You don't even have to install software. Just plug it in USB.
Order your Makey Makey today and start changing how the world works.
Boing, 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 ding, 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 ding.